Louisiana has the highest rate of new COVID-19 infections per capita in the entire country. It shows the impact the Delta variant is having in Louisiana.
Nearly 5,500 more cases were reported today. More than 2,300 people are hospitalized with coronavirus. And as cases continue to rise, healthcare workers have been speaking out about conditions inside of local hospitals. Right now, there are at least 6,000 open nursing positions in Louisiana, according to health officials.
And only on 6, Shay O'Connor speaks with local nurses who are hoping that the unvaccinated will take notice before there are even more hospitalizations and more deaths.
We're stressed because we thought that this was getting better, and now we're working as hard, even harder than we did a few months ago.
A look through the eyes of local nurses who have seen and felt a lot over the past year and a half.
I've been a nurse for 30 years, and I've never seen anything quite like what we're dealing with right now.
A fourth surge in COVID-19 cases here in Louisiana, leading to another rise in hospitalizations and deaths. The state now in its third straight day of record-breaking numbers with people admitted. Michelle Accardo is a nurse practitioner at Lakeview Regional Medical Center on the North Shore, where cases are high. Hospitals reporting the highest number of patients ever.
You go home and cry on the way home. Many nights I've done that. People need to know this is serious. You come in the hospital and people are sick in a way that we've never seen before.
Wanda Rivers is a registered nurse over at Ochsner Hospital's main campus and says another COVID unit was recently added just to accommodate the overwhelming number of patients. Many patients had to be turned away at other campuses in the state.
We're finding that most of the patients that are being admitted have not been vaccinated.
Rivers says the situation is only worsened because of the nationwide nursing shortage.
All of us have had to pick up extra shifts. We have to work extra, and we're tired.
But with COVID cases continuing to rise, nurses say vaccination is the quickest way to seeing a brighter day in the healthcare field.
I would not push the vaccine or mandate it on anyone, but from my experience and from what we're doing every day, the vaccine is crucial to us getting past all of this.
And health officials throughout the state say of the thousands of people hospitalized with COVID, at least 90% of those people are unvaccinated. Now, 2 million people have received at least one dose of the vaccine here in the state of Louisiana, but leaders say that's still not enough. For now, reporting from Mid-City, Shay O'Connor, WDSU News.